Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete Bluehost account or how to delete your website on Bluehost and also cancel the subscription. So first of all, when you log in here, you want to go ahead to websites. And here you can actually go ahead and go to settings or right there. When you go here on settings, you're going to click settings again right there. And now, as you can see, my auto renew plan is off, and I can turn it on if I want to. But basically, when this plan for me will end, it will basically be like a deleted one. And now you can also go ahead at the bottom here, and you can first of all remove the WordPress. So stop using WordPress with this website, and then you can actually delete your website here too. After that, or after your auto renewal ends. So when this ends, basically, now to stop the auto renewal, you will go here to your renewal center right there. And here you can actually click on this one and disable auto renew. It's already disabled for me. You can switch the payment or again renew now, whatever you want to do, but disable auto renew, and then you will see it right here on the website's settings. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.